Okay, so hello, today I will teach you how to do question 1B and 1C. So for question 1B, prepare the repayment schedule using the appropriate software Microsoft Excel based on the following information. Okay, so let's move to the information 1, which is Miss Aina needs to pay a down payment of 50%. Okay, to get the down payment of 50% here, take the total house cost, which is 450,000 times 50%, you will get the total amount of the down payment here. The total house cost times 50%, we get the total of the down payment. So for information 2, the loan will include the insurance and legal cost amount of RM25,000 and 5,000 respectively. Okay, for this question, you need to actually find the total principal. So to get the total principal is just total house cost minus down payment, total house cost minus down payment, then plus insurance and plus legal costs. Total house cost minus down payment plus insurance plus legal costs. You will get a total of 390,000 ringgit. So for information 3, the interest rate is based on the lowest interest rate you found via the website above. For this information, go to question 1 again, question 1A, and look at which one is the most lowest interest rate you got, which is mine is 2.88%. After that, the base interest rate, after you found the base interest rate, you need to find the monthly rate and monthly payment. Okay, so for monthly rate, it's very easy, just the base interest rate divide by 12. Base interest rate divide by 12 and you will get the monthly rate. Okay, to get the monthly payment, I use this formula, which is PMT. Then take monthly rate, number of payment, and then you put negative on the principal one, and then you put 0 to make sure the final payment will be 0. We'll get the monthly payment of 1,619 ringgit. Okay, so let's move to question C. Question C, show calculation of rebate and early settlement amount if the loan is settled 20 years using any available online application. Okay, so we'll just use Excel here. Okay, so first you need to find the outstanding balance after 20 years. So to get outstanding balance after 20 years, you just need to use this formula that I highlighted and put the exact number what you need to put, and just hit enter, then boom. Okay, for the total interest, just total interest, just take from this one all the way down till here. Okay, so for using Excel to calculate the total interest, just very easy. Use formula sum and then look at the table number. Okay, for mine is D6, and the last number which is D365. We get the total interest rate. After that, you need to calculate the interest paid for 20 years. Okay, to do that, to get total interest rate paid for 20 years. Just look at the D3, which is monthly payment times 240, which is 20 years. 240 months is 20 years. Then minus principal, then minus the first outstanding balance after 20 years. You will get the interest paid for 20 years. Okay, to get rebate, just total interest minus the interest paid for 20 years, we'll get the rebate. And for the early settlement, just outstanding balance after 20 years minus rebate, you will get the early settlement. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you.